We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can take a panorama picture using this DJI RSC 2 gimbal. So first, obviously, place your gimbal wherever you would like to take a panorama picture at. Then from your phone, launch the Run in DJI app. Here, tap at the Create button, go into Panorama. Change all the preferences that you need to. You can recenter it, you can select what area you would like to take the panorama of. You can pretty much just adjust all the preferences, switch the sensor type, the focal strength, focal length, overlap and intervals. That's up to you. Actually reduce the intervals to 1 second here. Then I'll just go ahead and recenter my camera. Like that. So just set everything up to meet your preferences, select the area you would like to take the panorama of, and then tap at this button to start the panorama and wait until the gimbal finishes taking all the pictures that are necessary. In my case, it is going to be 35 pictures, so I will need to wait for the camera to capture 35 photos. And well, it goes without saying, but before you will be actually able to do that, you need to connect your gimbal with the camera, obviously using the wire, whatever wire that is required in your particular case for your particular camera. But that's the story for a whole another video. So as for right now, thanks for watching and well, enjoy the panorama time lapse.